Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Sony SRS-XP500 wireless Bluetooth party speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If your speaker is not pairing with your phone or other device, or if it's not syncing or connecting via Bluetooth, or if it keeps disconnecting, it's having sound issues, it's not working, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now, the second reason that you might want to do this is if you want to get this set up as a new speaker on a new device, it can be helpful to just wipe and delete all of the previous pairing history and settings and everything like that. And this will do that. So this is really easy to do. First of all, the speaker needs to be turned on for this to work. And with the speaker turned on, we're just going to come in and find the play pause button and then the mega bass button. And we're going to press and hold those two buttons simultaneously for at least 5 seconds. And after about 5 seconds, the speaker will turn off, indicating that the reset has completed. We can go ahead and release the buttons, and we can come in and turn the speaker back on and set it up as a brand new speaker.